Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to create a clickable PDF in Canva. First, I'm going to open up a design in Canva that I can add clickable links to. Right now, I have my PDF open. This is from my Brand in a Box collection, the Desi collection, and this is the PDF template that comes in my Brand in a Box collection. If you want to learn more about that, there is a link in the description in this video. So you see I have this open here and I have multiple pages. I have a table of contents and I have the different content that I want to send out. And now I'm going to add some links here. So there's different ways that you can do this. You can just put a link in the text. I'm going to show you how to do that first. Come to any of the content that you want to link. Let's say this was to my website. I'm going to highlight that. And then I'm going to see that there is a link right here that I'll click on. If you don't see that link, go ahead and click those three dots and it'll be right here, link. And then I can put anywhere that I want this to be sent. So let's just say it's to my website and I'll hit return. And now you can see the link to that text is to my website and then I hit done. So this leaves an underlining of the text here. And sometimes I like to have it look a little bit cleaner. So let me show you how to add text without having to have that underlined box like they do in Canva. On the bottom of every page, I have my website. So right here it says, let's say it says your website here, but I don't want it to be underlined there because I think it ruins the design. So if I just create a box that goes behind this, then I can link that box instead. So let me show you how to do that. I'm just going to add a box by hitting an R on my keyboard. That adds a box. And then we're going to slide that box behind this text. And then I'll want to change that box to any color. I can even make it a clear box. And then I will come up here to those three dots again, hit link, and then again, I will type in my website or wherever I want that to lead and hit done. And that box is going to lead to my website without having the link there with the underline. Something else you can do is you can redirect and have a link inside of the same PDF and link it to another page in your PDF. So in my table of contents, I want to be able to, when someone clicks on this section, I want them to be able to just directly go to that page. So the way I'm going to do that without having to have that underline look is I'm going to have that little secret box like I did before. So I'm going to hit it off. This one I want to just have a little outline. So I'm going to come up here and make it the size I want it. Then I'm going to come here, no color, but I am going to put a little outline on it just to add some visual interest. I'm going to shrink that to be a little thinner. Okay, now that I have that there, I'm going to click on those three dots again, come to link, and then I want it to link to page 3. So I'm just going to type 3 and I'm going to scroll down and see there is my page 3. So click on that, done. Now that is linked to page 3. Now I can do the same thing here for page 5 just by copying this, pasting it here, and then coming up to this edit link, edit that. Now type in 5, scroll down till you see page 5 and hit done, and so on. You can keep doing that throughout the whole document. This is also how you can link any of your call to action buttons. I'm going to come in here, click on this. I'm going to have it say whatever I want it to say. Connect with me. And then here, I'm going to add a link to this. Click on those three dots, look for the link, type in wherever you want this to lead them, like maybe to a calendar page so they can schedule a call with you. That's what you would put here and hit done. So really you can link any image, any graphic that you want to a website, any external link that you want to send. Once your PDF is complete and you're ready to download it, make sure you download it as a PDF. So I'm going to come up here to share. I'm going to say download, and then it's going to give me these options. So I don't want it to be a video or a JPEG, PNG. I just want to do a PDF standard. And I wanted to do all 7 pages. I'm going to hit download. So now I'm opening up the PDF in my Acrobat PDF viewer. And let's scroll down to some of those links that I created. So this link was the one that would take us to page 3. You see that took us to page 3. And now here, this will take us to page 5. You can see it did that. Now here's where we had the link to the website that I hid behind this box. And there we go. It's taking me to the website. And then right here, the connect with me, again, that's taking it to the website. Once you know where the link button is, creating a clickable PDF in Canva is just minutes away. All right, have fun with that. We'll see you next time.